The slivering technique is one of the most important parts of preparing grafts. So, to, to have great grafts, we need to have a great slivering, and to do that, we have to keep the follicular units intact. When we see the donor tree, we can easily find diagonal lines. That is the arrangement of the follicular units into the hair. So that way, if we can find these lines, it's gonna be easier to prepare intact follicular units. Intact follicular units means keeping the 2 and 3 and 4 hair graft follicular units intact instead of creating subfollicular units. We can have 4 hair follicular unit that is in fact 2 plus 2 very close together. But if we split that 4 hair follicular units, 2 and 2, we're gonna have 2 follicular units instead of 1 for hair. So we are decreasing density, like here. Like here, we can see 2 follicular units close together. In fact, there's a follicular grouping. If we split them, instead of follicular grouping, we're gonna have 2 follicular units, and we don't want that. That way we can have dense packing, a lot of 3 and 4s, and sometimes 4 hairs follicular units, and we can place them in a small incisions, and we can increase hair density, because we don't need just graft density, but we need hair density. So that's the best way to increase hair density. Keep the follicular units intact. So when you are doing slivering, you have to search for the intact follicular units, keep them together, and follow the lines in between. That way, the slivering technique gonna be much easier and less risky to damage the follicular units. You're gonna have a better graft survival and more density recipient side.